Bees. Without them, our entire planet would be doomed. Why? Because bees cause plants to reproduce at a rate where they're not only growing, but they can thrive by transferring pollen from one flower to another. Your viewers are flowers, and you want to grow as many as you can. Sure, they might self-pollinate and spread over time, but for real growth, you need to be like the bee and find other channels to cross-pollinate with. Let's say you have a channel that specialises in marketing for recruitment companies. It's nice and niche. You find another channel that focuses on another area of recruitment. Their tones, value and depth seem in line with your own, but they have knowledge and insight that goes far deeper than yours on a particular area, and you believe it could really benefit your viewers. You have found yourself a beautiful flower. So reach out and connect with them. We won't go into how to do that just yet, that'll be in the next video in the series. You guys hit it off and it all goes well, you agree some topics and some titles, and then you star in a video or two on their channel and they star in a video or two on your channel. You put links to their channel in your description and in the video, and then they do the same thing. So long as you nailed the content and it was indeed valued by both sets of viewers, you'll find a glut of new views, subscribers and social media followers coming your way. It's cross-pollination just like the bees. Now, it's not just this initial bump of traffic that you want to think about. Your videos will be forever on each other's channels. Both will keep growing. You may find these videos rank for search terms, continue to promote each other, and they could and should help put each other in front of new viewers. But more importantly, the right viewers on a regular basis. And the great thing about this is, it's free. Everyone wins. The thing is though, how do you know who to collab with? Because a poor partnership could result in a rubbish video and, well, the opposite effect. Oh, hit subscribe to make sure you get the next video in the series, which will give you a checklist to follow for finding the right partners. And if you're watching in the future, check out the collaboration playlist here to learn all about collaboration. Might leave that in.